Hello Lolo Ellie, welcome sa ating vlog. February 14, Happy Valentine's Day.
The puppies.
Oh, we have puppies, pero hindi yan ang topic natin. Today is JS Prom Dico. And these are Dico's puppies.
That's my
Ano name?
puppies.
Ate Shelly.
Hey, she's so cute.
Basa lahat ah. May pupo lahat.
Because there is really
Dico. So the JS boy. There. There's the JS boy.
Ha?
JS boy, JS boy, JS boy. Okay.
Yay!
So pupunta tayo ngayon, anak kusog. Pupunta tayo ngayon sa Malolo sa Feliza Jazz. Yan. So we were there before. Ikaw 2 times ka pupunta no? Next year pa. Si Kuya was there last year for senior.
Feliza Jazz din po ba last year?
Oh my God.
So si Dico is ngayon for junior prom. And then next year, senior prom. And then next year, Ateneo. Ayan, Lolo Ellie, papunta na tayo sa Feliza Jazz. Nandito tayo sa May Balasin. Dumaan tayo ng flowers for Valentine's. Para doon sa binata na yun, wala nang flowers. Masota, walang flowers. Lolo Ellie! Hello!
Naku, si Sadie pa pumulok. Simple lang. Pero maganda siya.
Sama balon yan, Sadie ha? It's not yours.
Sa airport, sabi niya.
I think Cedric is here.
Parang
Ayan, registration. I don't know. Wala pa tao, maaga pa. You can stay here, aircon. Papasok ka ba dyan? Ayan, Lolo Ellie. So, kumain tayo ng KFC sa bar. Doon. Pupuntahan natin ngayon si Dico. Tama ba, Dora? What? Are you Dora?
Yeah.
Your
She has, Rihanna, my bestie has Dora Banks and Chanel.
Dora Banks. Time check, 4:12. So, nandito tayo. Ayun yung Feliz Navidad. So, tayo ngayon. Galing tayo yung PCSO. Kumuha tayo ng cheque. May nanalo kahapon. Sakto. Ayan. May tax. 22,500 yata yan. Ayan. So, i-deposit na lang natin ito sa Union Bank. Kasi sa Union Bank, yung ating payroll, pwede ka mag-deposit ng cheque through pictures. Okay. So, salamat PCSO.
oh no, yung abot.
Andre San Martin. let's welcome our nominees, our finalists for the Princess of the Night, beginning with Zen Yuan. Our candidate number 2, Sean. Hirap itong mga tanong mo. Okay, so for you, as a gentleman, what does sacrificial love mean? Again, for you, as a gentleman, what does sacrificial love means?
Hello. For me, the concept of sacrificial love is something that every relationship, I feel like, encounters at least once or multiple times. And it's what I define sacrificial love is to sacrifice, something important just to make your lover happy.
Okay, ayan na si Miss Prince of Persia. Prince of the Night.
Ano, Olats?
Talo!
Olats?
What do you mean?
Talo?
Buti naman.
Buti naman.
Wala ka nakalimutan?
Saan yung isa pang nomination mo?
Yung bag mo.
Mr. and Miss Photogenic.
Ay, ikaw ba photogenic?
I'm one of the nominees.
Ah, oo. Yung announcement of winner na napanood ko.
I got nominated for ano.
Saka Prince of the Night!
I cheered for you.
Ay, yung MC na.
Let's go home!